equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, unplug your Thermomix TM31 to ensure safety during the repair process. Next, remove the base cover by unscrewing the 4 Phillips screws located at the bottom. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off to expose the internal components. Now, take a moment to inspect the wiring and connections. Look for any loose or damaged wires that could be causing the error 52. If you find any issues, it's best to replace the damaged parts. If you're unsure about handling this, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help without any pressure. After checking the wiring, it's time to clean the internal components. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. Pay special attention to the motor and the circuit board, as these areas can often be the source of errors. A clean machine is a happy machine. Once you've completed the cleaning, recheck all connections to ensure everything is secure. If you're still facing issues, it might be worth considering our pickup and delivery at your home service. This way, you won't have to worry about transporting your Thermomix anywhere. Now, let's move on to the next step. Reassemble the base cover by aligning it properly and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure the cover fits snugly to avoid any future issues. After reassembly, plug your Thermomix back in and turn it on. If the error 52 persists, it may indicate a deeper issue with the internal components. In this case, we recommend getting a quote before repair to understand the costs involved. This way, you can make an informed decision without any surprises. Finally, if you've followed these steps and the error is still present, don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance. Remember, no calls, no travel. We make it easy for you to get your Thermomix back in working order. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful in resolving your Thermomix TM31 error 52 issue. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.